Have you ever wondered what it would be like to venture beyond the familiar skies and into the depths of the unknown universe? Wrapped in the cloak of darkness, the cosmos has always been a beacon of intrigue, drawing us towards it with a magnetic force. But why? Why are we so driven to unravel its mysteries? Perhaps it's the innate human thirst for knowledge, or the irresistible allure of the unexplored. Or maybe it's the tantalizing prospect of encountering life beyond our lonely planet. Whatever the reason, humanity's quest to explore the cosmos has been fraught with challenges, from surviving the harsh conditions of space to the technological hurdles of interstellar travel. Yet, the potential rewards are immense. Imagine being the first humans to colonize a distant exoplanet. A new world, a fresh start. This video will take you on an epic journey, following the trailblazing steps of these courageous individuals. Join us as we chronicle the journey of these galactic pioneers. The journey to the stars begins with a single earth-shaking launch. As the spacecraft, a marvel of human innovation, ignites its engines, the colonizers inside brace themselves for the journey of a lifetime. This vessel, the result of decades of technological advancements, is designed to traverse the vast expanse of space, carrying its precious cargo of humanity to an exoplanet light years away from our own. The colonizers, a group of brave men and women, have spent years in rigorous training, preparing themselves physically and mentally for the challenges that lie ahead. Their hearts pound in their chests as they bid their final farewells to the familiar blue planet they've called home. The emotions are a swirling maelstrom, a mix of trepidation, excitement, sadness, and hope. As the spacecraft leaves Earth's atmosphere, they take one last look at their home, a blue speck fading into the vast cosmic canvas. With the blue planet fading behind them, our pioneers set their sights on their new home. Navigating through the cosmic ocean is no easy task. Truer words have never been spoken. This journey, this voyage of a lifetime, was laced with challenges none of us could ever fathom from the comforts of our homes. The colonizers, our brave pioneers, found themselves faced with the daunting task of managing their resources. In the vastness of space, there are no grocery stores or fuel stations. Every morsel of food, every drop of water, every breath of oxygen had to be accounted for. They implemented a tight resource management system, recycling water and air, and growing their own food with hydroponics. A delicate balance had to be struck between consumption and conservation. But it wasn't just the physical resources they had to manage. Space, as awe-inspiring as it is, can be a lonely place. The isolation was a constant companion. With only the stars for company, the psychological toll was significant. To combat this, the colonizers employed a range of strategies, from virtual reality experiences of Earth to group therapy sessions. They found solace in each other, in shared experiences and shared dreams. And then there were the obstacles. Space is not just a void. It's filled with cosmic dust, micrometeoroids, and radiation. The ship's shielding had to be robust, and the navigation systems precise. A millimeter off course could mean the difference between life and death. The technologies that enabled this journey are marvels of human ingenuity. Advanced propulsion systems allowed the ship to travel at unprecedented speeds. Artificial gravity systems mimicked the conditions on Earth, ensuring the health of the colonizers. And communication systems kept them in touch with mission control, their only lifeline to the world they left behind. Through it all, the colonizers remained undeterred. Each challenge they faced, each obstacle they overcame, only strengthened their resolve. They knew that their journey was not just about reaching a distant exoplanet. It was about pushing the boundaries of human capability, about proving that we, as a species, can survive and thrive in the harshest of environments. Undeterred by the trials of their voyage, our pioneers kept their resolve, knowing that their destination was within reach. After a voyage of countless days and sleepless nights, the first glimpse of their new home must have been a sight to behold. Imagine the awe-inspiring sight of the planet looming large as they approached it. The anticipation, the excitement, the fear, an amalgamation of emotions that is difficult to put into words. As they descended, the planet's surface came into view, It was unlike anything they had ever seen, a vast alien landscape, both beautiful and terrifying in its unfamiliarity. As the spacecraft gently touched down, the pioneers found themselves in a world that was at once both alien and their new home. The air, the sunlight, the colors, everything was different. The exoplanet was not just another Earth. It was a world with its own unique environment, its own rules. They had to adapt, and they had to do it fast. The pioneers were scientists, engineers, and explorers, equipped with the best technology humanity had to offer. But nothing could truly prepare them for the challenges that awaited. The planet's atmosphere was different, requiring them to wear specialized suits whenever they ventured out. The gravity, too, was different, making even the simplest tasks a challenge. But the pioneers were not deterred. They were explorers after all. They set out to map the terrain, to study the planet's geology, its climate, its potential for sustaining life. It was a daunting task, but they were up to the challenge. They had to be. This was their new home after all. The exoplanet was not without its dangers. There were storms unlike any they had ever seen on Earth, with winds that could topple their structures and temperatures that could freeze or burn them in an instant. But they persevered. They built shelters. They developed new technologies. They learned to survive. They were not just surviving, though. They were thriving. They were learning, adapting, growing. They were making a new home for themselves, a new life. They were creating a future for humanity on an alien world. The pioneers had arrived. They were now the first humans to set foot on an exoplanet. The struggle for survival begins as soon as the excitement of arrival fades. On this distant exoplanet, the first days were a whirlwind of activity. Our galactic pioneers had to quickly establish their colony, a task that required equal parts ingenuity, determination, and courage. They constructed habitats using advanced materials brought from Earth and local resources, creating a blend of the familiar and the alien. These structures, resilient and adaptable, mirrored the spirit of our pioneers. Adapting to the exoplanet's environment was their next challenge. The planet's gravity, temperature, and atmospheric composition were different from Earth's, but within manageable ranges. Yet these differences had profound implications. They affected the pioneers' physical bodies, their daily routines, and even their dreams. But humans have always been masters of adaptation. They learned to move in the new gravity, to work in the new temperatures, and to breathe the new air. They learned to live on the exoplanet. Sustainment was a constant concern. The pioneers brought with them a cache of supplies, but this was a stopgap solution. They needed to become self-sufficient. They turned to the exoplanet's flora and fauna, to its soil and water. They learned to farm alien crops, to hunt alien game, and to purify alien water. They learned to eat and drink on the exoplanet. The pioneers made many discoveries. They found strange minerals, bizarre life forms, and beautiful landscapes. They found secrets in the exoplanet's crust, in its oceans, and in its skies. They found knowledge on the exoplanet, and in their interactions with potential alien life, they found not only new species, but also new aspects of their own humanity. Their plans for the future were as grand as the cosmos itself. They planned to grow their colony, to explore the exoplanet further, and to reach out to the stars once again. They planned to make the exoplanet their home. Against all odds, our pioneers had not only survived, but thrived. They were no longer just visitors. They were now residents of this new world. The journey of these galactic pioneers is more than just a tale of exploration. It's a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. It's a story of ordinary people stepping out into the unknown and carving out a new path for all of humanity. These pioneers, our pioneers, have not just survived against insurmountable odds, but they've thrived. They've built a life on an exoplanet, and in doing so, they've expanded the realm of human possibility. They've shown us that the stars are not just distant points of light, but potential homes waiting to be discovered. Their journey, their experiences, will guide future space exploration and colonization efforts. They've painted a picture of what life could be like in the farthest corners of the universe. And what a picture it is! Vibrant, hopeful, full of potential. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are but a speck. But as our pioneers have shown, even a speck can leave an indelible mark on the universe.